How many full lifetimes would it take to have as much money as Elon Musk? Because money like this is too big for the human brain to really understand. We can understand $1,000, we can even understand $1,000,000. But once you get into billions, something breaks. We hear $1,000,000 and think, a lot of money. We hear $1,000,000,000 and we think even more money. There's a disconnect. So let's put that into perspective of time. 1,000,000 seconds is about 11 days. 1,000,000,000 seconds is over 31 years. It's the same unit of measurement, but completely different realities. And Elon Musk isn't worth millions. He isn't worth billions. He's worth hundreds of billions, around $850 billion. But even that number doesn't really feel real, and we don't really grasp it. So instead of thinking about it as money, we're going to convert it into something every human experiences: life. Because everyone understands what a lifetime is. A lifetime means decades of effort. Waking up early, going to work, getting paid, paying bills, repeating it again and again and again for years. So let's define one lifetime in terms of wealth as clearly as possible. Imagine someone earns $50,000 a year. That's a realistic full-time income for many people. And for the sake of easy math, now imagine they work 40 years. And for this comparison, let's give them an impossible advantage. They save every single dollar. No spending on anything. No rent, no food, no taxes, nothing. Just pure savings. At $50,000 a year for 40 years, that equals $2 million in one lifetime. That's 40 years of life compressed into a single number. One lifetime equals $2 million. Now we can finally start the comparison. Elon Musk's estimated wealth is around $850 billion. So the question becomes, how many lifetimes of work would it take to reach that? Most people might guess a few thousand, maybe tens of thousands. But the real answer is far beyond that. Because when you divide 850 billion by 2 million, the result is 425,000 lifetimes. That means the average worker would need to live an entire life from birth to death, work 40 years in between, and save every single dollar, then repeat that entire process 425,000 times. Now, let's pause and think about that.